Hi, I'm Cathy with Level Up RN. In this brief video, I will be going over the stages of pathogenesis. And at the end of the video, I have a little quiz for you so you can test your knowledge of some of the key facts from the video. So be sure to stay for that. And if you have our Level Up RN microbiology flashcards, go ahead and pull out your flashcard on this topic so you can follow along with me. Pathogenesis is the step-by-step process by which a pathogen causes a disease, and it typically occurs in 4 stages, which include exposure, adhesion, invasion, and infection. During exposure, a pathogen enters a susceptible host, such as a human, through a portal of entry. So, for example, breathing in contaminated respiratory droplets allows respiratory viruses, such as influenza, to enter the body via the respiratory tract. And eating food that is contaminated with bacteria allows bacteria to enter the body through the gastrointestinal tract. The next stage of pathogenesis is adhesion. This is where the bacterium, virus, or other pathogen attaches to the host cell. It does this by using adhesins, which are molecules on the surface of the pathogen, primarily composed of protein. These adhesins bind to receptors on the host cell. The next stage is invasion. This is where the pathogen penetrates the host cells and tissues. The pathogen may be confined to a localized area of the body, or it may spread throughout the body. And then the last stage of pathogenesis is infection. This is where the pathogen multiplies and causes tissue damage. All right, it's quiz time, and I have 3 questions for you. Question number 1. The pathogen enters a susceptible host during which stage of pathogenesis? The answer is exposure. Question number 2. The pathogen attaches to the host cell using blank. The answer is adhesins. And question number 3. The pathogen penetrates host cells and tissues during which stage of pathogenesis? The answer is invasion. All right, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, be sure to hit that like button. Take care, and thank you so much for watching. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.